Hi guys, so today I'll be showing us how to prepare vegetable egg sauce, and I'll start by heating up my oil, adding some salt and then my fresh tomato. So I'll fry my fresh tomato under low heat for like 3 to 4 minutes. So if you're an OG, thank you for tuning in. And if you are a first timer, please do well to hit the subscribe button, okay? And turn on your notification bell. So next we'll be adding our sardine. And we're going to use our spoon to break it into smaller chunks. And please remember that all of this is done under low heat. Please, under low heat. We don't want it getting burnt, okay? So next we'll add our fresh pepper. Just a little bit, depending on how spicy you want it. Then we're adding our curry to give us that tantalizing aroma, and then we're going to stir everything up together. So next we're adding our vegetables. Okay, so for the vegetables, you're not restricted. You can add as much vegetables as you want to. You can add green pepper, green pea, green beans, as much as you want to. Okay, there are no restrictions. And then we'll stir everything up and allow it to heat up for a little while. Then we're going to add our egg. We'll allow the egg to sit and settle in for a while before we start to stir. So the egg is basically the last ingredient in this egg sauce, okay? So after allowing the egg to sit and settle in for like 1 minute, we can now stir and mix everything up together. So let us know what you will be eating this with in the comment section, okay? As for me, I'm going to be enjoying this with boiled unripe plantain. Yay! Trust me, this meal is actually rich, nutritious, yummy, and delicious. Okay, there goes my unripe plantain. Please do give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed watching this video, okay? Thank you so much and see you in our next video. Bye for now.